Waxing Xhosa grammar, adjectives part 2. So here we see the number stems from 1 to 6, and these stems are used as adjectives. So we have nye, 1, bini for 2, tatu for 3, ne for 4, hlanu 5, and tandatu 6. So if you want to not mix up 3 and 6, I guess that tandatu comes from saying tatu, like trying to say it twice. Tatatu, tatatu, tandatu. I'm guessing that's the origin of the word 6. And bini is easy to remember if you think of binary. Yeah, let's look at how these are used. Tu omnie is one person, or literally a person that is one. Amakwenkwe amabini, two boys, or boys they are two, that are two. Abantu abatatu, three people. Izinto ezine, four things. Amakaya amahlanu, five homes. Izindlu ezintandatu, six houses. So we have the word Ikaya for home and indlu for house. You can also join adjectives, just listing them in a row as in these sentences. Sifuna abantwana abatatu abahle. We want three beautiful children, so children that are three that are beautiful. Ndifuna izinto ezimbini ezinhle. I want two beautiful things. Ndingawafumanaphi amaqanda amathandatu. Where can I find 6 eggs? So let me break this down for you. Ndi is I, nga, can, wa, them, the eggs. Fumana is to find or to get, pi, where. So I can them find where. Ndingawafumanaphi amaqanda amathandatu, the eggs that are 6. Cha is an adjective stem meaning new or fresh or young. Umsebenzi omcha, a new job, a new work. Imisebenzi emitsha, new jobs. Isonka esitsha, fresh bread. Ndiqale umsebenzi omcha kule veki. I started a new job this week. Ninzi means many or much, a lot. Imali eninzi, a lot of money. Amanzi amaninzi, a lot of water. Izinto ezininzi, many things. Bekukho abantu abaninzi elwandle izolo. There were many people at the beach yesterday. So there was people that are many at the sea yesterday. Mbalwa means few or little, or a few. Amanzi ambalwa, little water. Izinto ezimbalwa, a few things. Amagama ambalwa, a few words. Abantu abambalwa, a few people. Ndinemibuzo embalwa kuwe. I have a few questions for you. So imibuzo are questions. Ndinemibuzo, I have questions. Embalwa, that are few. Kuwe, for you. Now, nye also has another meaning, not just one. It can also mean other, another, or some. So to differentiate the meaning here, the word order plays a role. So we have umbuzo omnie, one question, or literally a question, that is one. But if we say omnie umbuzo, we're emphasizing the omnie, other. So this is another question, or a different question. Into enye, a thing that is one, so one thing, and enye into, another thing, something else, enye into. Intlu enye is one house, enye intlu would be another house, a different house. Abanye abantu, other people or some people. Ndinomnye umbuzo, I have another question. Ngamanye amaxesha, sometimes. Ncinci is small or young. When we talk about people, they tend to use ncinci more than cha for young people, as we will see in these examples. Imoto encinci is a small car. Utitshala omncinci, a young teacher. Abantu abancinci, young people. Iikheyiki ezincinci, small cakes that are small. Yincwadi encincileyo, this book is small. So yincwadi, it is a book that is small. Leyo, this. Ezinkulu okanye ezincinci, big ones or small ones. And as a little bonus slide, we see here the root or the origin of the names for our townships in Cape Town and in Hermanus, Khayelitsha and Zwelihle. So Ikaya meaning home, I is just the noun class prefix, Kai would be the actual root of this word, and Kaya the full stem, and then we have Ikaya Elitsha is the home that is new, so the new home. And in spoken Xhosa, you usually drop the final vowel of a noun if the next word starts with a vowel very often. So it's interesting to note that you don't drop the vowel of the next word because that's a prefix. The prefixes are really important. They're more important than suffixes. But you can drop the a at the end of kaya to get Ikayelitsha, the new home. And as a name, we even drop the I prefix, so we just have Khayelitsha, new home. Ilizwe means country or land. Again, here, ili is just the noun class, zwe is the actual root. So ilizwe elihle would be a beautiful country, and in spoken Xhosa, you drop the first I, we get ilizwelihle, the beautiful land. Or as the name without the prefix, the noun class prefix, it's just zwelihle.